Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage tone prompts for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now click on your earbuds here. After that, click at the settings icon at the right top, and right here we have a prompt tone in the second line, so tap on it and we can disable or enable touch tone. You use this tone when you touch at the touch areas. When you tap on it you will hear a tone, so if you don't need it, just disable it or enable it if you want to. And the second one is the battery prompt, and when your battery level is below 20 or 10%, you also hear this tone. So if you don't need it, also just click at this slider to enable it or to disable it, or you can also enable it if you need it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.